The strawberry, a bright red in color, shaped like heart and crowned with a little green cap, is a representation of sweetness, vitality and love. The strawberry is more than just a fruit. With its succulent flesh and captivating aroma, this little berry has been capturing people's hearts for centuries. With its rich crimson hue and delicate seeds like tiny golden freckles scattered across its outer surface, this heart-shaped jewel is one of the most prized fruit across the globe. Belonging to the rose family, this fruit symbolizes love, purity, and life, besides freshness and taste. The twist is that the strawberry is not actually a true berry at all. In contrast to real berries which conceal their seeds inside, the strawberry flaunts its beauty proudly on the exterior, with approximately 200 seeds sprinkled throughout its surface like tiny golden freckles. Strawberries have been originated from Europe and the America around several years ago. The varieties we cherish today are actually a hybrid species created in France in the 18th century. But even before that, the ancient Romans utilized wild strawberries not merely for their taste, but also for their therapeutic benefits. Strawberries have been valued since prehistoric times. The Romans used them to cure fevers, digestive problems, and even melancholy. In medieval Europe, they were regarded as a luxury fruit, frequently served at banquets to represent harmony and prosperity. In the 18th century, French farmers cultivated the contemporary strawberry that we consume today, and that is bigger, sweeter, and juicier than previous strawberries. Beyond their aesthetic appearance and mouth-watering flavor, strawberries are nutritional treasures filled with vitamin C, antioxidants, fiber, and phytonutrients that can strengthen immunity, boost heart health, and provide a natural radiant to your skin. Currently, strawberries are cherished in numerous ways, from crisp summer salads to healthier desserts, from cooling smoothies to natural skincare products. Not only are these little crimson gems delicious for your taste buds, but they are a great boon for your whole body. The secret that hidden in the sweet taste of strawberries is that they are tiny superheroes in red outfits with ability to heal, defend and energize your body. Let's explore their power, one advantage at a time. 1. Immunity promoter. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, a vital antioxidant that strengthens the immune system, provides natural protection against infections, and helps in tissue regeneration. Say goodbye to colds and welcome to robust immunity. Only 8 medium strawberries deliver more vitamin C than an orange. 2. The heart friendly. The anthocyanins are the pigments that is responsible for giving red color to strawberries and also have heart protective properties. They curb bad cholesterol, enhance blood circulation and keep your blood pressure in control. Eating one bowl per day is similar to taking heart healthy medicine. 3. Sports brain and sharp memory. Fiston is the unique flavonoid compound present in strawberries that is referred to as the memory molecule. It improves focus, shield brain cells, and inhibit age-related memory decline. It is best nourishment for both body and mind. 4. Anti-inflammatory hero. Strawberries contain antioxidants and quercetin and they act as a natural pain reliever. Strawberries work like edible anti-inflammatory medicine that aids in relieving pain and curbing swelling naturally, whether it's from muscle soreness or chronic inflammation. 5. Skin's Beauty Booster. Strawberries contain vitamin C and ellagic acid that amplify collagen formation, brighten the skin and prevent acne. They act as disguised beauty care in addition to being a food. Your skin will appreciate you if you consume them or apply them. 6. Blood sugar controller. Strawberries are sweet but safe and have a low glycemic index. That means they manage blood sugar surges, enabling them ideal for people managing diabetes or anyone who wants consistent energy without crashing. 7. Strength for bones and joints. Loaded with potassium, magnesium and vitamin K. Strawberries enhance bone strength, joint flexibility and defend against bone loss as you older. 8. Weight reduction ally. Strawberries maintain fullness, suppress cravings and facilitate fat burning naturally because they contain immense content of water and fiber and have only 32 calories per 100 grams. Strawberries are guilt-free sweet fulfillment delight. 9. Cancer-fighting antioxidants. Strawberries are rich in ellagic acid and polyphenols that aids in combat oxidative stress, shield DNA from damage, and reduce the threat of some types of cancers. Small fruit, great protection. 10. Happy gut, happy mind. The fiber in strawberries nourishes your beneficial gut bacteria, keeps digestion smooth, mitigates constipation, and even maintains mood balance. A joyful mind is correlated with digestive health. Strawberry is a gentle yet effective digestive strength because gut health is the foundation of immunity and mood regulation. How to use strawberry? 1. Consume them fresh, the purest method. There's no better way to savor strawberries fresh and raw. Their nutrients, particularly vitamin C and antioxidants, are preserved when consumed whole. Add a dash of sea salt, black pepper or a drizzle of honey to enhance the flavor. 2. Upgraded breakfast. Put them to bowls of oatmeal, yogurt or smoothie. Their natural sweetness takes the role of sugar and provides you immense energy in the morning. 3. Smoothies and drinks. Put bananas, spinach or almond milk and then blend them. And for making of refreshing detox beverages, dip slices of strawberry into water with mint and lemon. 4. Savory sweet meats. Strawberry magic is not only for desserts, but strawberries also bring magic to salads by enhancing salads' nutritional value. Mix strawberries with greens, nuts and a drizzle of balsamic to give them a gourmet touch. 5. Guilt-free desserts. Strawberries allow you to enjoy sweetness in the healthy way, whether it is in the form of chocolate-dipped confections, chia puddings and muffins. 6. Frozen goodness. Strawberries can be frozen for use all year long in smoothies, homemade sorbets or ice cubes that transform ordinary water into a fruity delight. Freezing helps preserve nutrients and reduces the price of strawberries during off-season. 7. Hydration in a novel way. Incorporation of strawberries turn plain water into a spa-style beverage to create numerous flavor combos. Add basil, cucumber or lime. 8. Homemade skin treatment. Strawberries are not just beneficial for your body, they are also excellent for your skin. Try these natural beauty cures. Face mask. Make a face mask by mashing strawberries with honey and yogurt. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to exfoliate and brighten. Scrub. Combine crushed strawberries with brown sugar and coconut oil for a revitalizing body scrub. Acne cure. The salicylic acid is present in strawberries naturally. That assists in clearing clogged pores and lessening breakouts. Remember, for sensitive skin, always perform a patch test first. 9 homemade preserves and sauces. You can prepare healthy, preservative-free versions at home. Strawberry chia jam. Prepare it by blending strawberries, then introduce chia seeds, cook slightly and then chill. Strawberry compote. Make it by seasoning strawberries with a little of maple syrup and use it for pancake toppings or toast. Strawberry sauce. Drizzle strawberry sauce over nutritious desserts. 10 fermented drinks and teas. To give a fruity twist, add strawberries in herbal teas. Water kefir or homemade kombucha for probiotic-rich drinks. Iced green tea to enhance flavor and antioxidant power.